Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute here about talk about this table. Lots of people have been asking me about my dust collector table, and it's a fairly big system, okay? And not everybody can have the system that I have. I use a dust collector, I use a cyclone filter, and my table's like 6x4 or something like that. So, but anyways, my buddy Pete, the mad scientist, had this. This is his old dust collector table, okay? He would be able to sit outside, put this on his lap, and carve. Okay, this is a portable table, or you guys can fix this to your main table, but I just want to show you how it works. Okay, all this is pegboard, perfect size holes. Okay, he's got his thing here, so if you wanted to put one of those lights with the things, holes in there, it's fitting there, comes up here. Okay, this is, I'll give you the measurements in a bit, but all you do is get your shop vac and get a pipe from your hardware store that will fit your shop vac, that will mount to this like a dryer thing or something like that. Okay, hook your shop vac up to this, turn it on, and it will suck through these holes. Even outside, guys, you're breathing in that dust when you're doing fine power carving. Okay, so let me measure this for you quickly. Make any size you want to make. So what, this is 21 inches by 22 inches, and this is 3 inches, so take off half an inch and quarter an inch. So this is 2.5. All you have to have of this part is 2.5 inches. It's hollow in here, guys, so when you're carving, got your piece here, and pegboards are good too, because you can put screwdrivers in here to hold your piece, you know what I mean? So you got a screwdriver here, a screwdriver stuck in there, and then you can hold your piece against it and carve with 2 hands. So that's it, guys. Portable dust collector table. You don't have to have this on the bottom. This can be coming out of the side too, right? So I hope it makes sense to you guys. And any questions about this, feel free to ask in the comments below. Okay, there's just a quick video for you. Portable dust collector table, or you can mount it to your regular desk or whatever. Simple, guys, simple.